This is for Year 12 Methods. It is the 2021 Calculus Topic Test Tech Aloud. It's question number 2. So f of 3 asks for the y value when x equals 3. And I can read from the graph that it's a coloured circle there, inclusive, so therefore 3 is the answer. F dash will give me the derivative when x equals 7, and the derivative is the gradient. So at 7, the gradient there is a horizontal line, so it's going to equal 0. The limit as x approaches 6 from the left. As I'm approaching 6 from the left, my y value down here is minus infinity. If the question had been the limit as x approaches 6 from the right of f of x, then I would have been coming to 6 from the right, and the answer would have been 1. If there had been the limit of x approaching 6 of f of x, the answer would be undefined, because on the right it's approaching 1, and on the left it's approaching negative infinity, so we're approaching two different values, therefore the limit wouldn't exist. And lastly, the limit as x equals 8, well, I'd have no problem about x equaling 8, because f of 8 equals 1, therefore the limit equals 1, because both of them tell you what the y value is. Okay, the second part of the question asks about define, so the domain, continuity, and differentiability. For something to be to take the derivative, it has to be continuous, it has to be defined, no sharp joins, no endpoints. Okay, so looking at this curve, where is the domain which is defined? So negative 1, negative 3 inclusive, all the way to, yes, it's inclusive at 3, all the way to 6, but not at 6 because there's an asymptote, and 6 all the way through to 10. Where is it continuous? Well, I lose continuity here at 3. So negative 3 to 3, union 3 to 6, union 6 to 10. And where is it differentiable? Well, it's not differentiable at negative 3 because it's an endpoint. It's not at 3, it's not at 6, and it's not at 8 because it's a sharp join. So for the last bit, differentiability, x is an element of minus 3 to 3, union 3 to 6, union 6 to 8, union 8 to 10. Not inclusive.